Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Krishna. Just wait for one more minute,
Okay, sir.
2 more minutes. So let's wait. Krishna, give them one more minute. We'll start.
Okay, sir. Let's start today's session. Hello, everyone. Welcome to FiboWaves, Master the Markets by Prem Sir. Today, we are here for stock selection for the next week. That is for from 1st of July to 5th of July. These stocks are collectively selected by FiboWaves team. Today, we are focusing on Amber Enterprise, Ashok Leyland, Kenfin Homes, CDSL, Divi's Lab, Grasim, Mangalam Cement, MGL, Shanti Gear, TexRail, Tejo Engineering, and Trent. Now let's move towards our trading view and see how we have identified our levels. Is my trading view visible? See, this is our first script of the day, that is Amber Enterprises. Earlier, it tried to give a breakout, but that breakout didn't sustain or fail. Now, again, it is approaching to our breakout zone. So we are planning our entry as soon as we are getting a candle sustaining or a closure above 4600 for the immediate target of 4700, 4510, 4810. Once 4810 level is broken, we are keeping a target of 5000 and 5150. Another script we have is Ashok Leyland. See, this script is beautifully planning to give us an entry and is consolidating at our breakout point. We just need a candle closure above 243 levels. As soon as we got a candle closure about 243 levels, we are planning our trade for the immediate target of 248, 256, and 265. Another one is Canfin ohms. This trade we have took with our members from the bottom. Our first initial entry was at 808 to 820 levels. After that, it hit our all the targets. Now it seems that this script is now giving us a breakout entry. So we are planning our trade in both the scenarios. If we got an entry above 932, we are chasing a breakout. And if by any condition, if it came near 865, so we are planning an accumulation entry near 865 too. So we are keeping a conditional buy on Canfin homes. The same with CDSL. It's yesterday in last trading session itself, most of our members have traded this entire move and captured the entire move from 2160 to 2400. Now, there may be a conditional buy. Here, the immediate resistance the script might face is 2470. If 2470 is broken, so we are chasing a breakout after 24/7 for the target of 2535, 2609, and our targets are intact till 2900. In
One
case
1 second, Krishna. So here, Krishna is telling that we captured on this entire move like 2166 to 2426, right? How we
so
people captured? How we people have captured is we do live tradings, right? We do live tradings with the members, right? Those who are there in the live trading members, right? They have captured this entire movement. We took it around to 167, 668, I think so, if I remember, or it's somewhere, and then we waited for 2200 somewhere, and then we picked up for an entire move like 200 points from here for getting this targets. So it's like we do search everything in the live trading too. Those we share everything in the weekends, right? On the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we do find stocks and then we give it on Sunday. But when we see some stocks which is going to break out happening in the live sessions, right? That will be given to the live members. But that's where these kind of stocks were being picked up. In fact, we picked up Dixon, we picked up uh, what was that? Yeah, it went okay. It was I think it was Masdok, right?
yes,
Masdaq, yes. GRS Yamco.
Nice dog. Everything we picked up in the live trading sessions, that's where you people has to think of, joining a live sessions. It's very cheap, like $2,500, but it's getting it in one share. With 10 shares itself, you will get that much amount that you're going to spend it. It's very easy. Just a thought of sharing it with you. Go ahead, Krishna.
sure, sir. First will be our breakout entry. If we got about 2470, we can chase a breakout. But if by any chance we got a little retracement entry near any of our levels, we can plan an accumulation entry over CDSL. The next script that we have is Divi's Lab. If anybody remember, we have already shared Divi's Lab from the bottom, that is from 4100, and most of the people which are our members, we have traded this. Now another round of entry is possible, and it is trying to give a breakout above 4650 for the target of 4740. Then 4800 to 4870 will be a slightly rejection area. Once this level are broken, we are keeping a target of 5500 in this script. Another one is Grasim. This also we have traded with our members from the bottom, that is from 2200, and almost it has given us 500 points now. But now another breakout entry seems to be possible above yesterday's high, that is about 2680 for the target of 2725, 2770, and 2830 will be our first probable rejection area in Grasim. Another one is Bangalam Cement. This script, we are keeping a close watch as it is likely to approach our breakout zone. As soon as we got a candle closure above 935 levels, we are planning to take a trade in it for the target of 976 and 1000. Another one is MGL. MGL yesterday tried to give a breakout, but it didn't close above my breakout zone. So I will keep a track. If I got entry near 1600 levels and that 1600 levels sustain, then I am planning for an entry in MGL for the target of 1654, and 1700 will be my first rejection zone. If that is broken, then my targets are open till 1800. Or to be precise, it will be 1793. Another one is Shanti Gear. Shanti Gear might give our breakout either this week or most probably in next week. So we are keeping it in our watch list. As soon as we got a breakout entry above 625, we can plan our trade for the target of 666, 700 and 720 levels. In this script, we are only chasing breakout. We are not having any plan of accumulation entry. TexRail, in the last trading session itself, it gave a breakout and sustained our entry point. So if we got a script near 243, 250, we can plan our trade for the immediate target of 260, 280. And first resistance area, it seems to be have at near about 291 to 294 or a psychological level 300 levels. So at that point, we might be thinking of booking our profits. Tejo Engineering. This script again tried to give a breakout, entered into my entry point, but didn't sustain. So I need an entry above 3,300. Once a candle starts sustaining above 3,300, we can go for a trade for the immediate target of 3,400, 3,450, 3,500, 3,550, and 3,600. And the last one for the week is trend. Initially, we had given this script from 2,200 and it almost doubled. But now again, this script is giving us an opportunity for a trade. Our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is 5,500. Above 5,500, we are planning for an entry for just an immediate target of 5,600. This is our immediate resistance zone. If immediate resistance zone is broken, the targets will get opened for 6,000 and 6,600. So we are keeping a close watch on trend. If we got an opportunity and if it didn't face a resistance at this level, a whole move can be captured. A 600-point move is possible in trend. Now, let's move towards our session. These are the scripts that we have filtered. Now, these are the course offering that FiboWaves delivered. So if anybody wants to have a view of an intraday thing, they can opt for intraday course. We have a swing course and a premium Fibo Master course, which covers both intraday and swing aspect. Along with that, we are planning to start a new course on index trading. And for more details, I would like to request Prem sir to throw some light on those things.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Krishna. So as per the thing, we have four courses offering here, but currently we are just kept it on hold for intraday and swing traders. Maybe we'll start from the next month onwards, but not for this month. We don't have intraday and swing trading aspect. But for the premium thing, which is currently open for July series, you can join the July series. Will start someday in the third week of July. So that one will be there. And one more premium thing which is going to start from next week will be on a regional language. It will be on Tamil. So that will be starting next week. And after the next couple of weeks, a full classes on the premium thing with English will start on this particular thing. Okay, so index trading course is another thing which we have planned. So though we teach them everything on Fibonacci and everything on how the things works out, right? Even though the people have some kind of a mentality, right? They get into the mindset because they have learned from everywhere that option build up, option chain, and those things, right? Those people are hard to come out from that particular thing. So we are getting into their shoes and see how we can help them in making a better trader and how to take a trade without using those things, but using the concept of options and everything. So option datas, without option datas, or with option datas, or how we can make it much more stronger thing with this course. That's what we planned. This is the first of the kind. So it's just going to start next week. So all this is going to start from next week. The index course and the premium thing in regional language will start next week. And day after 2 weeks later, this one premium master will start for English. So those are the things that is currently going to happen in July. That's it. So if you want to have anything, you can contact me. I think go to the next slide, please. You can contact me through this number, or you can put a mail on this number, or you can do anything. You can message me or just send me a message or just call me. We have a discussion on that. We'll take it forward from there. Okay. So floor is open, guys. You can ask any kind of question that you really need to ask. You can it's open. You can talk to us. Okay. You can unmute yourself and you can talk. If there is nothing is there, then we can wind up quickly. Okay. And thanks for giving me a time to wind up easily. Okay. Fine. No questions and no answers. By the way, this recording will be available in YouTube. I'll be sharing the link. You can watch in YouTube how much ever time that you want to watch it, and share it with your friends so that they can also watch it and see how we people do our stock selections. So let's see how this is go ahead. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, hi, good morning, sir. This is Tamanna from Chennai.
Yeah, Tamana.
Yeah. Sir, actually, I've been following you for a long time now, but actually, I know the Fibonacci already. I have been a student of one of your students, so I know the basic things, but I have a doubt. Like, you are starting with the live session from tomorrow.
Correct.
So, like, how would that go if I want to join that? Like, you'll be like online for all the 6.5 hours, and what would be the scenario, sir? Like, if I want to learn that.
There'll not be any kind of a learning as such and that Tamanna. It's like working along with the market, right? So how to see if something is coming up in the market, right? We sit with you, we'll draw the lines and everything, and then if we see that if it's we usually draw the lines well in advance, okay? So if we see that particular script is breaking out or something, we'll there itself we'll give it. It's like just go for a buy it and we can take it to call on that. So you can buy it and also we tell you the target to the live session. This session starts at 9:15 and it ends only at 3:30. We have a little bit of breaks in between. We do take a break in between for the lunch. Am I right? So we'll take a break in the lunch and then we take a little bit of break and then we'll continue till 3:30. So you have hand-holding support for almost 6.5 hours, even though no people will give you like 6.5 hours sitting next to the meeting and then going for 22 days. It's very, very cheap, but where you also get to learn something from there. Why we are taking this trade, how are we taking the trades, what is the reason behind it, everything you get to know while sitting with us. And then once you join, right, I think once the people have joined, they will never go back. They will keep on coming and keep on asking us to conduct the live sessions. So that's how it is.
Okay, and you'll be personally taking those sessions, or any of your
No, no, I'll be taking the sessions from 9:15 to 10:15. The first 1 hour I'll be taking. And if I have some kind of a work in between, right, 9:15 to 10:15, that time my students will be taking in fact, they are all my students, they are all my mentors right now. So they are good in the trades. So they will be there till 9:15 along with me till 3:30, they'll be there. So they will be taking over from me from 10:15 to 3:30 onwards. But initially I'll be there for 1 hour.
Okay, and if, sir, not from tomorrow, but after a few days, I join the session. So can I join in the mid of the July? I'm like, you'll be like taking the live session for the whole of the month, right?
Yes, you have to take it for both of the months. You cannot, have to, I cannot, see, I have to, it's like egg count for me. Like how many egg count is there I have to pick, right? So it's about the egg count. It's not about the days that you join.
No, no, sir, I'm not asking for the concession, but I'm just asking that whether a student can join in the middle of July, or the student has start from the July itself. Like that. That's what I'm asking.
You can join any time of the day. You can join on the last day of the month also. But the thing is,
Okay.
join the last day of the month, you have to still pay 2,500. If you join the first day, you have to pay only 2,500 for the entire 22 days. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you learn from another student, right?
Yes, sir.
Good to know that. So you
Yes.
learn the entire stuff of the range of the market and everything. What are the things that you learn?
So the range of the market, reversal, institutional levels, and OH levels, double OH levels, then Marubozu,
Good,
then last candle,
good.
and uh, range intraday, may range reversal. Yeah, that's also. I guess these are the only thing you're teaching in Fibonacci.
Okay. Only these are the things I teach in Fibonacci. Great to know that. Okay.
Uh,
Look,
I mean, like I have been taught all these things. I mean, like the levels. If you talk about the Fibonacci levels, so I have been taught by one of your students only these things. If any of the other things you are teaching, so I don't know.
no,
I'm
no, no,
like,
no, 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 no. So I need to be very, very honest. So whatever you learned is, it is there. That's what we teach. And then apart from that, every batch will have a new session added to it. Okay, that's how it is. Okay.
okay, okay, sir.
It's not about the thing is whatever we learn from there, we just keep on updating the stuff. So it's about if you join this month, you have separate kind of a adding topics and everything. And then if you join the next month, you'll find additional 4 topics to be added. And then if you join 6 months later, you have 10 to 15 new strategies that have been added to it. So that's how it is. We do keep on
Okay,
updating ourselves. We just keep move out from one step to another step. So if we see we can make some more increment to the existing strategy, right? We do remove something out of it and then we'll make something great out of it. So that's how we do.
okay, sure, sir.
Good. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Not an issue. Any other questions, guys? Any questions? If there are
Prem,
no,
Sun Pharma, can you please look at it? I feel it has given a breakout in last session.
in fact, I asked the people to watch for pharma sector, like for Arvinda Pharma, Sun Pharma, Lupin, Cipla, everything was looking good. Okay, so Sun Pharma, it came down and then it picked up like everything. Like it is on the verge of a consolidation breakout. So when the consolidation breakout is happening, it has to go to the higher of the previous thing. So it has to cross that, and it has to move higher. So maybe I'll be looking out for somewhere around 6,500, 1,650 levels soon to be crossed. So that was this. It is moving higher. Now it has to move higher and higher. Okay. It's currently on the consolidation area, like on the upper side area. So it has to go it has to come hit around the top of the high, which is somewhere around 1630, 1635, I think so. That was the high it was made in Sun Pharma. So that was the level that we have to look out for. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Not an issue. Okay, so if that is the case, we'll wind up today. And any questions that you have, you can ask me in the WhatsApp or in Telegram. I will do